Welcome to the Central School of English Stage 1 video series. In this video, we will practice using prepositions. Let's begin with the preposition in front of. Where's the table? The table's in front of him. Where's the chair? The chair's in front of her. Is the house in front of them? No, the house isn't in front of them. Now, let's practice the preposition behind. Is the house behind them? Yes, the house is behind them. Is the table behind her? Yes, the table is behind her. Where's the house? The house is behind her. Next, let's look at the preposition on. Is there a pen on the book? Yes, there's a pen on the book. Is there a pen on the book? No, there isn't a pen on the book. Are there two pens on the book? Yes, there are two pens on the book. Now let's practice using the preposition between. Which letters between A and C? B's between A and C. Which letters between C and E? D's between C and E. Which letters between D and F? E's between D and F. Where are the objects in the pictures? In picture 1, where's the mouse? A, it's in front of the box. B, it's behind the box. Or C, it's on the box. The correct answer is C, it's on the box. In picture 2, where's the man? A, he's behind the house. B, he's in front of the house. Or C, he's between the houses. The correct answer is C, he's between the houses. Where are the man and the woman? A, they are behind the TV. B, on the TV. Or C, in front of the TV. The correct answer is C, they are in front of the TV. Where's the cat? A, it's behind the TV. B, between the TV. Or C, in front of the TV. The correct answer is A, it's behind the TV. In this video, we have practiced using prepositions in English. This video was brought to you by the Central School of English, an English school in Dublin. For more English lessons, visit centralschool.ie.